Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you a platform called Lumen 5 using which you can create videos. So there are many platforms that help you create videos, but what makes this different from other platforms is like it uses artificial intelligence to make these videos automatically for you. That means if you come here, it can even turn a blog post. So I have taken this post. So I have already taken the URL and put it and imported it. So it will take some time. So I have already imported it and kept. So once I have put it there, it will automatically create the content for me. The artificial intelligence runs in behind the scenes and create this content. And if I want to change anything, I can change it or I can keep it as such. And this will convert everything to a video using artificial intelligence. And I can record a voiceover if required here from here, or else I can just preview it. Now there are different styles available. I can have this in different format. So one is the story, which is used in Instagram and all, and there is this vertical one, which I guess is used in YouTube Shorts. Then if you want 1080 pixels, then you will have to pay. Let me try to run that in landscape mode to show you how it looks. So now if I say preview, it should preview here. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.